This is the storm we're having today. And the winds are up to, well, the wind gusts are up to 35 miles an hour. And you can see the fruit's been falling off my peach tree before we even had a chance to see it calm down, and then suddenly you get this huge gust. You can hear things been blown around the neighbour's house. I came out here earlier and put bricks on stuff. That's the apple tree. It is really, really crazy. That's the grapes. See, wish you could feel what I'm feeling. The wind is like blowing me back. Grapes are almost ready for picking out. There's a pile of burning wood. You see down there, chickens are smart. There's not one chicken out today. They're like, nope, not doing that. Oh man. Peach tree needs trimming really badly. I was afraid the weight of the fruit would break the branches this year, and the wind is doing half the job for me. It's coming in bursts. Thinking after tonight we're going to have some broken trees in the neighbourhood. But this storm hit in Nevada and it's coming up here. Hola Kimberly, ¿cómo está? Muy bien, gracias. There you go. That's the storm. So far, there is thunderstorms coming later on this afternoon. Aren't we lucky? We're going to get rain. Why do we need rain? Because our grass is dying. We have been so low on water this year, it's been crazy. And there for a while we were getting thunderstorms every day, and it just wasn't enough.